Instagram Reels. Do you use Instagram Reels, Willie Do?
No.
No. So apparently this guy, I guess he's the lead over at Instagram, Adam Mosseri, the head of Instagram. He gave an interview in which he said he's not satisfied with Reels. He feels like the format hasn't really met their expectations and that TikTok is still ahead. This is their TikTok competitor. I remember talking about Reels when TikTok was first banned in India and Instagram quickly rushed to launch Reels in that market to absorb some of the space that was left by the banning of TikTok. But he says TikTok's still ahead, has better collaboration tools. Like, he's just being really transparent here, letting you in and maybe actually putting pressure on his team. You go give an interview and you're like, yeah, TikTok's better. Yeah, we suck. And then the team's like,
Buddy, can you hush?
But he also says something that I have to agree with, is that they may need to consolidate video formats. Because much like your reaction right there, you're an Instagram user, and still it's like, are you using Reels? And you're like,
Well, the occasional reel that I see always has a TikTok logo on it, which is not a good look.
Ooh, so you think they gotta... Well, they're not going to stop people from reposting because they're like, well, if it was hot on TikTok, person's on our app. I agree with you. It's not a good look. How about that?
Yeah.
What you just mentioned, it struck me.
Okay.
TikTok watermarks all of its content.
Yeah, when you share it to other... When you get a link.
That's nasty. That's a nasty move. That's your content.
Uh-huh.
Or is it? Whoo! Shivers down the spine! Imagine if YouTube watermarked our content if I want to go upload elsewhere.
Big YouTube logos on your face.
A big, huge YouTube logo. Wow, that's crazy. It never, but what you said, I realize it now. Yeah. TikTok stuff, no matter where it goes on the internet, where it gets re-uploaded, is always TikTok.
It's very symbolic too. I see it now everywhere.
That's not cool, really, is it? You can't get your content that you upload there without the watermark? There's no way to do it?
I don't know.
What if you uploaded something sentimental and you just wanted to have it? You have to have a
picture of your newborn baby. There's a giant TikTok logo.
It's kind of rude. I don't know. I guess you could also say if it was sentimental, why are you uploading it to TikTok? What's the matter with you? That should just be on the phone.
Well, you add some funny music and then
in the camera app, and now you have a viral clip. But anyway, so here's the thing I agree with. He says they got to consolidate video formats because we can't even keep it together. There's so many formats. You remember the IGTV launch. So they had IGTV, and then they had Reels, and of course you can post videos to the feed, and then you have stories and it's... Whoa! I'm the meme right now with the head the cartoon-looking head that explodes. Speaking of cartoons, I watched that movie Isle of Dogs, the Wes Anderson movie.
Oh, yeah.
We don't have to get into it, but that was just unbelievable. Are we getting into it? We don't have to get into it.
Just for the people who's curious.
We don't have to get into it, but what is it? Is it claymation? It's stop motion! Wow! This stop motion, the tedious nature of it, and the way in which the techniques they use. For example, if there's like a puff of dust, it's strands of fibers, and they have to.
You know, when we were talking about samurai swords, this is the type of
that's movie making, samurai sword making.
Yeah,
is what that is. Anyway, back to the topic.
Okay,
taking us off track here, Will. Consolidate video formats. It's too many things now, Instagram. Get it together. I just need video to be in one place. Any video. Short, long, reel, IGTV. Is it still another app? Man, if I'm watching a clip and it's in the Discover page on Instagram and then I have to go to IGTV to keep watching, it's like a paywall type of experience. I'm dead. I die.
Even if it's one tap,
I'm dead.
Just too much.
I'm dead.
Yeah. Make it seamless.
So let's get it together, Instagram. Consolidation sounds good here. Organization, consolidation. Let's get it together.